Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add bio on OnlyFans. So if you're new subscriber, press the notification bell icon. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. And when you have opened the web browser, in the top there is a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type OnlyFans. And when you have successfully written OnlyFans, just press enter in your keyboard. After that, this web search result is shown to you. Now just click on the OnlyFans. And when you have logged in previously, then we have to log in once more. So I have logged in previously. So this is the interface that is shown to me. And on the top of the left hand side, there is an P icon. My first letter of my first name is P. So the icon has an alphabet P, and if you have a different alphabet in your first letter of your first name, then there will be a different alphabet in that icon. Just click on the circular icon. And there is a name. Just click on your name. After that, this interface is shown to you, and there is an edit profile option. Just click on the edit profile option and just scroll down a little bit, and there is a bio option. Now you can just add the bio of your choice, and when you have successfully written the bio that you want to add, then there is a save button in the top of the right hand side. You can just click on the save button and your bio has been added successfully. So this is how you can easily add bio on OnlyFans. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.